Hi guys, Piotr here, this is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today it's time for the crypto market update, the first update in 2023. We are going to talk about the Ethereum and Bitcoin, so without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. All right, folks, so that's gonna be short, sweet update into the crypto market. We are going to start a little bit different way today. We are going to start with the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart, and that's the weekly chart. And as you can see, currently we are trying to trade even higher within the consolidation we've seen within the last few weeks and last few months. In that case, it's very important, as long as we are trading around 0.077, to be very cautious overall, because we might have this type of the consolidation going on. Still, I think that we should retest this level, and I'm going to talk about this in a second, before we are going to jump higher, even towards 0.1, 0.11. Yes, I think that the Ethereum dominance is going to go higher. That's correct. I think that if we are going to see the overall crypto market rally, I think Ethereum might rise faster than Bitcoin. But still, as I mentioned, the levels close to 0.06, 0.055 should be tested. Now, how can we go there? Well, hopefully you are aware. If not, then in March we have a schedule for Shanghai fork when it comes to the Ethereum. And each and every fork usually been followed by the sell-off, or maybe we've seen the sell-off ahead of the fork. But anyway, that's how it was before, and I truly believe we might see similar price action right now. In case we are going to go straight to the upside, okay, then I think this type of the price action, so if we are going to see the break, right, then the half of that consolidation around 0.07 is going to be the demand zone with the 0.1, 0.11 as a target, in case we are not going to retest that level. So from that perspective, I see Ethereum higher, especially that if someone was looking for this type of the price action, the head and shoulder, actually we fulfilled the target very quickly. Okay, and since then, as you can see, we fulfilled the target, and since then we were moving higher. So right now, if you want to talk to me in case of the head and shoulder, we have the possible inverted head and shoulder. So the target is going to be to the upside, right? And it could be like this, right? So our target of 0.1, 0.11, even from the inverted head and shoulder, should work well. So I truly believe Ethereum is going to be stronger. So let's have a look what we have when it comes to the particular coin versus US dollar. Let's start with the stronger one in that case. So we are talking about the Ethereum right now. I like the current price action right here. Still believe that we might see retest of the levels below 1000. It still could happen, but as long as this particular low holds, low could be in place, so it could be attempt to go higher, hitting the supply, pulling back and rally towards 2300 or around this level. So that's how I see the things here. Now, if we are going to see a little bit more consolidation, okay, like this, for example, okay, then the target is going to be, or it might be even higher, up towards 2650, 2700, based on the double of the consolidation. All right, so again, I'm bullish as long as we are holding with the closing prices above this latest low. So that's the weekly chart of the Ethereum. Let's have a look what we have on a daily chart here. Very nice consolidation. The only thing, my concern only is that this low hasn't been tested with, you know, some stop count and strong rally. So we just hit the low, and since then the bears were not able to make a deeper move. From this perspective, because what I'm trying to tell you is, if that is consolidation, right? If that is consolidation, so what I miss here is some kind of the stop count to reverse the move. And that could be the case that one more dip is ahead of us with the stop count. That could be the case, all right? Anyway, there is a very nice consolidation going on. We are trying to hold this particular consolidation and 50% of that, all right? So short term, as long as we are above, retest of this particular level over here, okay? And we are talking about the levels close to 1600, this supply zone, because that was the latest weakness, all right? Over here, that was the latest weakness. So that's the first target, around 1600. If we are going to take out that particular level, right? So this latest weakness might turn bullish. The weakest shorts might try to run away, and short term 2200, 2300 might be the name of the game when it comes to the bulls. And this particular broken support now turns to resistance, is going to work as a supply zone and hasn't been tested, to be honest with you. So we have plenty of stops to be taken, all right? So that quick move can push us towards this level. All right, so finally, let's have a look what we have when it comes to the Bitcoin. Okay, so let's get back into the weekly chart. Well, doesn't look good, but in that case, as I mentioned, Bitcoin is weaker than Ethereum, right? So in that case, as you can see here, we made lower low. We were trying to get back above very, very quickly. Unfortunately, bulls failed. As you can see, bulls failed here. So lower levels might come into play in that particular case. And well, we are talking about the levels close to 11,800. That could be the name of the game when it comes to the Bitcoin, because we are still below the low, right? So we broke the latest low, we made the new lower low, and we are still holding below these levels based on the weekly chart. So what's the case here on the weekly chart? Well, bulls have to get back as soon as possible above 19,000, even better, move above and close weekly chart above 20,000 psychological level would be even better. As of now, there is a huge danger we are going to retest lower levels. The move and close above this particular latest weakness, all right, is going to be the key. First 1920K would be even better to close above this swing high. In that case, 21,500. That could turn this chart bullish, right? That could turn this chart bullish, close above 21,500. But as of now, as you can see, we are following the weekly channel, and if we are going to fail somewhere around 18,800, 19,000, this type of the move, 11,800 could be the name of the game medium term. Let's have a look what we have on a daily chart. There you go. As you can see, short term, the consolidation is the name of the game here, and the consolidation within this range, all right? If we are going to double that range, we could see the 21,500 retest, but if we are going to fail the move towards 12,000, 11,800, that's what we are going to get. So guys, as usual, please do your own homework, do your own research, be safe, be careful when you are trading, especially at the beginning of the new year when the liquidity is lower. Some kind of the stop count is still possible. Bullish on Ethereum, watching out what is going on Bitcoin. Here we have to see some price action to the upside to avoid strong sell-off. Take care, goodbye, wish you great next trading session, see you around.